Welcome to the Solid Edge Tips and Tricks video, Advanced Design Intent. Design intent is the intelligence that designers build into CAD models so that changes can be made predictably. Synchronous technology in Solid Edge recognizes and maintains design intent on the fly, giving us sensible and predictable changes and allowing for faster revisions. Synchronous models use face relationships to control the model behavior when moving faces and editing dimensions. On selecting a face, the Design Intent panel opens with options that allow you to control the design intent that was previously built into the model. Using the options, you can decide how much of the design intent is preserved or ignored as you make an edit. Most common and predictable relationships like symmetry, concentricity, aligned, and coplanar built into the model when it was developed are displayed initially. But sometimes you need to access additional relationships like tangent and parallel, and a more granular control via dimensions, variable values, and formulas built into the model. Clicking the Advanced option at the bottom of the Design Intent box opens the Advanced Design Intent panel, presenting all possible relations between selected and unselected faces. For example, the symmetric and aligned holes relations, when turned off, result in modification of only the selected slot. By turning on the Maintain Aligned Holes relationship, Solid Edge reanalyzes the model, and slots aligned to the selected one in X direction and Y direction are now modified too. But there is more design intent in the model, and the Advanced Design Intent panel helps realize it. Further turning the symmetric relation on achieves the full design intent of the pattern of slots. Note that all slots, which are both aligned and symmetric about both axes to the selected one, are now updated with change in the original. Each of the icons on the Advanced Design Intent panel represents a different relationship. An activated icon represents a relationship that is evaluated and preserved. For example, the tangent relationship, which is crucial to the earlier modification made to the slots array. The large icon group of the Advanced Design Intent panel also includes the Solution Manager and additional options for relaxing locked dimensions. The Advanced Design Intent panel thus provides for all possible geometric manipulation facilities on both native and imported 3D models to get the results you seek in Solid Edge.